This fresh and vibrant quinoa salad is the perfect combination of fluffy quinoa, crisp vegetables, and a tangy homemade dressing. Packed with Mediterranean flavors, it's light, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying. Whether you are looking for a healthy lunch, a quick dinner, or a refreshing side dish, this protein-rich, fiber-rich, gluten-free salad is a must-try. Start by cooking the quinoa to perfection. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under running water until the water runs clear. This removes any bitterness. For an even fluffier texture, soak it for about 30 minutes before cooking. Transfer it to a saucepan with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Let it cool slightly before assembling the salad. Tip: you can also cook quinoa in vegetable broth to enhance the flavor. While the quinoa cools, it's time to prep the vegetables. Start by chopping the cucumber into bite-sized pieces for a refreshing crunch. Next, dice the yellow bell pepper into small chunks. Then do the same with the red bell pepper to add sweetness and vibrant color. Roughly chop a handful of fresh parsley for a light herby note. Peel and chop the red onion. Here's a tip: if raw onions taste too strong, soak them in cold water for a few minutes to mellow their sharpness. Lastly, water the Roma or cherry tomatoes. Keep them aside. Now, let's make the dressing. In a jar, start by mixing 2 garlic cloves directly inside. Pour in 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar or red wine vinegar for a deep, tangy flavor. Add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil for a smooth, rich texture. Stir in 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup to balance the acidity, along with half a teaspoon of dried oregano for an herby touch and a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Finally, season with salt to taste. Secure the lid and shake well until everything is fully blended. Let the dressing sit for a few minutes so the flavors can melt together perfectly. To assemble the salad, start with the slightly cooled quinoa in a large mixing bowl. Add the sliced olives, then toss in the quarter tomatoes, stir in the chopped cucumber, followed by the yellow and red bell peppers. Sprinkle in the fresh parsley and mix in the chopped red onions. Finally, drizzle the homemade dressing evenly over the salad and toss gently until everything is well coated. If using feta cheese, crumble some on top for a creamy, salty finish. Your healthy, protein-packed quinoa salad is now ready to serve. This Mediterranean-inspired dish is perfect for meal prep, picnics, or as a quick, nutritious meal any time of the year. Light yet satisfying, it's packed with bold flavors and wholesome ingredients in every bite. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Happy cooking! See you next time!